Hey, buddy. Hey. Hit my head.
Yeah.
Doctor said I was in an accident. Didn't run. I don't remember much of anything. My father.
Hi,
He
BB.
died, right?
Hi, BB.
Weird.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi. This is your sister, Ted.
You know that, Steve?
How you doing?
I don't know. Last thing I remember, I was fine. Somewhere.
You're still fine. We love you, Harry.
Whoop. And over you go.
Somehow I've been gone for a really long time. Now I'm back home. It's good to have you back.
I'm sorry. I'm going to have to ask you guys to school, okay?
Okay. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.
Oopsie.
Yeah. Great.
Definitely. I think it's going to be fun.
Honey, you can't walk on that. You're going to fall off. Adrena, you're going to fall off. Just like that.
My best friend.
Oh, you're going to try though, aren't you? There you go.